Hi, and welcome back to KRankin's Kitchen. Today I have the blender again. This is the deluxe cooking blender from Pampered Chef. It's a cooking blender, as I said, and it has an element in it and it heats up. And today we are going to be using the sauce setting of its many settings. You can do smoothies, you can make peanut butter, you can make alternative milk, you can make sauces. And today we are going to use that sauce setting. We are going to make today lemon curd. So lemon curd is like kind of like a lemon pie filling, a custard with real lemons and a very fresh lemony taste. So what we're going to do with that lemon curd once it's done is we're going to put it in some tartlets and put a little bit of Cool Whip on top, and it'll be a great dessert. So the sauce setting has two stages. It has the stage that it cooks and mixes things together, and then it will prompt you to add at stage 2. So we will be putting eggs, sugar, the zest from 4 lemons, and the juice from the 4 lemons in first, and let that cook. And then when it asks us to add at the second stage, we will put in some unsalted butter and let that run. And then we will pour that lemon curd into the tartlets and dress them up. So I have already zested 3 lemons, but I wanted to demonstrate the Pampered Chef fine grind grater and how quick this does it. Microplane grater, that's what I was looking for. And you can see underneath how fine that zest is. It's just super, super fine. Half that. Now this recipe actually comes from a Facebook site group that I'm on of people who own the deluxe cooking blender, and they share quite a few recipes. So this lemon curd recipe has a couple of variations on there. So we will put in the eggs. That's 5 eggs. 5 eggs. And it calls for 1.5 cups of sugar. But I like my lemon curd tart, and I've seen reviews that 1.5 cups of sugar makes it very, very sweet. We will put in the lemon juice. And the lemon zest. This way. Just going to check my recipe and make sure that that is all that goes into stage 1. Eggs, sugar, lemons, 1/4 cup of lemons, or 1/2 cup of lemon, with some salt. So I will put the lid on that and we will choose the sauce setting. And then we will be back for the second stage. So we're back with the lemon curd. It has gone through the first stage, and in the first stage it thickened up quite a bit. The consistency looks like a pudding consistency, and we're going to take the top middle part off, and we're going to put in the butter. This is a half a cup of unsalted butter. Let's top back on and press. We'll be back after this is done. So we're back and the lemon curd has finished. And we're going to just take a look here. Oh my gosh. It's a little runny. It'll probably firm up when it cools. So we're gonna let that cool a little bit, and then we'll put it in the tarts. So we're back, and this is my daughter Vicky, who is my taste tester. So what we've done is we finished with the lemon curd, and we poured them into tart trays that we pre-cooked. And we're going to put some Cool Whip on them, and Vicky's going to taste. Oh, we can have this thing. Oh, there you go. Is it good? Yeah. So thank you for watching. Again, like and subscribe. And I always, as I always say, I'm KRankin, and I'm a Pampered Chef consultant. If you would like to host a party, please let me know or join the business. We would have lots of fun. And if you have any comments or you want me to cook anything in particular, just leave it below in the comments. Thank you very much.